So to delete clips from your DJI Action 5 Pro, simply go to the viewfinder and tap on this little icon here. So you tap on that, that shows you all your media, and you can even tap on this grid icon in the top left corner, and that's going to show you all your media. So now from here, what you want to do is simply select the video you want to delete. So for instance, you can tap on that one and then tap on the three dots on the left hand side, and you should see the option to favorite, share, or delete. Just tap on delete, and that's going to delete that item. Now if you want to delete multiple clips, again tap on that and then tap on this selection icon that allows you to go selecting multiple clips. And if you want to, or rather if you want to select all, you just tap on this check mark at the top. That's going to select everything. And now when you delete, when you tap on the three dots in the top right corner, you have the delete option. You tap on it, it's going to ask you if you're sure you want to delete all. Well, for me it's 29 files, could be more for you. Do you want to delete all files? Tap on delete and everything is going to get deleted. It's really that simple. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.